I told you this was going to be worth it, Dor.
Yeah, of course. I knew it was going to be worth it.
Does Ben look nervous? I think he does. Even though I just met him, I can tell you he is very nervous because he has a big question for Dory, his girlfriend, in the back of the airplane. Like the biggest question you could possibly ever ask someone. Can you guys guess what it is?
Ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
I should have.
This is Ben. He's a CFI from Colorado and a nut for aviation. Ben and his girlfriend Dory are in Alaska for a wedding, and he wanted to take a flight with us here at Angle of Attack and show her around the beautiful mountains near Homer. But he has a bigger, bolder plan than just a mere flight. Now, Ben and I have been talking for a while, though, preparing for this big, big day. More so than most flights, this flight. It's a big one. So Dory is in the back, and she really has no idea. We've been talking so much, texting so much, and planning for this day. There's been a lot of planning involved.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Here we go.
So this is comfortable Ben here, flying in the mountains just like he does in Colorado, no problem at all. Ben flew us over, guided by me to kind of show him where to go into the mountains for this scenic flight. And all is normal. He's flying great. The weather is a little tight, I guess, more weathery, rainy, because it's later on in the year, and we really can't get around too much, but we're going to work with what we have. But we end up finding the perfect spot eventually, up in the mountains, right over a glacier. Since Dory has no clue about what's about to happen, he and I drop hints, signals, and so on, and wait for just the right moment.
This might be our sweet spot today, because that other spot is kind of closing in.
So I'm going to be quiet now myself here so you guys can just kind of watch this play out, and we'll put some text on screen and some other things.
Wow. It shines.
Want to just circle here for a minute?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a little more altitude,
Holy cow.
Okay.
and then I'll kind of just loiter here.
Sure.
Seems pretty spectacular.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Pretty fun, huh, Dor?
Yeah, this is amazing.
Pretty crazy that you got me started in aviation, too.
She did?
Yeah.
Wow.
She took me out to breakfast at a restaurant.
At the perfect landing.
The Perfect Landing in Centennial, if you've ever been there.
I haven't.
Oh, you should totally go there.
And I walked into a flight school and said if I wanted to fly today, what would that look like? And they said come back at 2 o'clock.
Huh.
And I've been going every day since, so you're responsible for this, Dory.
Wow.
He was going through a bit of a life crisis. He was done with his job, and he was like, I'm over it. And I was like, you know what? You've always loved planes. So we went to breakfast, and I said, you should go check it out. And sure enough, he did. I wasn't expecting him to just like start then and there, but he did.
And it's changed my life since.
Lots more joy. He was a financial analyst at a cable company, and oh whoa, those little blue lakes are so cool.
And I can't imagine having a better co-pilot in life.
Aww.
So with that in mind,
Oh my god.
will you marry me?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't expect that. You're just talking. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
446.
Of course. Oh my gosh.
Climb up straight to the
You
north.
can roll your seat back if you want, Ben. You should be able to get pretty far back there.
I love you.
Did I get you?
I thought we were just talking.
Well, we were.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That was really sweet.
Sorry you guys can't cuddle.
Oh, thank you so much.
You bet. I got tears in my
Oh
eyes.
my gosh, Ben. I love you.
I love you too.
That was really sweet. That was really beautiful.
And look at where it happened.
Oh, wow. To the camera. Oh my gosh. Ben, that was lovely. Wow. Oh my gosh.
We've been working on that one for a little while.
It just happened.
Oh my god.
They'll make it a picture of just you guys
I
or
had a
something.
feeling it was coming, Ben.
There we go.
Thanks, Chris.
You bet.
I had a feeling it was coming, Ben. You were like so nervous.
I'm ready. Book
Oh
base
my
025,
God.
404, Echo, gonna
Holy
be southbound.
cow. Covered
Book base
in
025, over you, good morning.
white,
Traffic is
beautiful
Bird Dog,
snow.
Takeoff about 2.5
Oh my
minutes to go off
God.
of runway 4.
Alright, I feel like I should fly over this for a little bit.
North, so
Let me bring it back down. We're starting to pick up a little preset here.
Wow.
Bring over traffic.
Yeah.
Book base 025, taking off 04. You're right-hand turn out, southbound 1.
Yeah, I'm gonna nope out down that direction.
Bird Dog 446, just crossing the ridge, northbound over the VOR. I'll be continuing this direction.
Oh. Wow. Wow, that's pretty. Did you guys talk about that at all?
Yeah, we did.
Okay. It was like, surprise, here's the ring you don't want.
Oh.
No, yeah,
I wanted to make sure that she liked it, but I wanted to make sure that she was surprised.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Well, do you look outside or do you look at the ring? Outside or at the
I
ring?
know, I'm like,
Put
I
the
just
ring
keep,
up, and
I
then
just
you can
keep
look at
taking
both.
pictures of the
Yeah, with the back drop, that's perfect.
Oh my god.
Are you nice and warm back there?
Yeah, I'm great, thank you. I'm on adrenaline as well.
I know, I bet he is too. Oh man, that's the most special day when that happens. Oh,
Thanks, man.
you bet.
Oh my gosh. That reflection is seriously breathtaking next to that glacier.
That is,
There's the money shot.
Wow.
Now Ben has brought us back to Homer after a beautiful scenic flight around the bay, and what he didn't tell me was that he's a butter farmer.
Oh, money.
Butter.
Butter.
No lie, this is one of the more special experiences I've had in an airplane. And these two, they're just so cute. Aviation is clearly a real part of their love story, and what better place for Ben to propose to Dory than in an airplane.
Wow! What a flight! Woohoo! Holy cow! Oh my gosh, what do I do right now? Do I unplug things?
Yeah, you can just get out.
Okay.
Got her again. We fooled her again. It wasn't bumpy or anything.
I hope you got all the photos, Dory, because I really didn't take that many.
All of us here at Angle of Attack and the fans watching wish you two the happiest of memories and years together. We can say, with all the aviation love in our hearts, throttle on.